Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're getting into something most tax prep courses don't cover, and it's one of the reasons I built MuseSpring. Let's talk about Circular 230. Circular 230 is a set of regulations published by the U.S. Treasury Department. It governs the practice of representing taxpayers before the IRS. So if you're an attorney, CPA, or enrolled agent, Circular 230 applies to you directly. But here's what most new preparers don't realize. Parts of it apply to you too, even if you're just getting started with a PTIN. Section 10.51 of Circular 230 covers incompetence and disreputable conduct, and it applies to all tax return preparers. That means if you engage in certain conduct, like willfully failing to file your own returns, willfully evading taxes, or misrepresenting your credentials, the IRS can sanction you. They can censor you, suspend you, or bar you from preparing returns entirely. Circular 230 also lays out standards of practice. Things like you can't charge unconscionable fees, you can't delay proceedings before the IRS, you can't knowingly submit false or misleading information. If you give written tax advice, there are standards about what that advice needs to address. So why should you care? Well, because most new preparers have never heard of Circular 230, and the IRS doesn't care that nobody told you about it. Remember, ignorance of the law isn't a defense. If you violate those rules, you face real consequences. The bigger picture is this. When you prepare someone's tax return, you're operating in a regulated environment. The IRS has the authority to discipline you. Understanding the rules you're operating under isn't optional. It's a foundation of a legitimate tax practice. This is one of the core modules in the MuseSpring program, and it's something you won't find covered too heavily in an H&R Block course or a free online tutorial. If you want to understand the legal framework behind what you do, visit MuseSpring.com. And as a quick reminder, everything on this channel is educational and provided through MuseSpring for informational purposes only. So if you have a specific legal or tax question, make sure you talk to a qualified professional about your situation. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.